shoot that thing now. Jake, go get the BB gun. Put it on YouTube. Death of a Mockingbird.
You'd be amazed at how, when I zoom in like this, how close that bird is actually getting. It's like taking her ear off. Yeah. Dude, those wings are right over her head. I'm not kidding you.
You're not kidding me. I'm right here. I can see it. It's not coming close
No,
enough.
not that time. Not that time.
She'll get it. She'll
Nope.
get it when it comes close enough. She will.
Nope. That's the thing.
She'll swallow
She has
it.
missed it. She's missed it a few times.
Hasn't gotten close enough.
It's keeping the focus. It's a bitch.
She doesn't look too worried.
Oh, right there. Yep. I was going to say, right there is a point.
She's yawning.
As soon as she, like, loses
That's
interest.
how impressed she is. She's yawning. Like, fuck you. Like, come on, do something.